Hello, my lovelies. This is Liane from Resin Creations. Welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Today here I have this 10 by 8 inches frame that I got off my local range shop, and I want to create a kind of seawater replica. I have been seeing a lot of people make beautiful artwork by creating it on Instagram and YouTube, so I said I will give it a go and see what I can do. So first things first, of course, I prepared my wooden frame by painting it with gesso, and now I have here a sand mixed with PVA glue, and I'm spreading it with my spatula, and after spreading I will draw lines to recreate a sea bottom. So here I have just a stick that I sharpened and I'm going in, but I noticed that the sand is a bit too wet for and it's not really staying. So I just sprinkle some dry sand on top and then I'm doing it again. And the lines were staying. So this is kind of my sea bottom, and I am super excited about this project because I get to try out something new, and sea is my inspiration and I love swimming now that it's summer. But once again we have quite cloudy weather, but still I get to wear my wetsuit and it protects me from the cold water and I can enjoy and swim in the water. So next step, and this is the option that you can do in multiple ways. I chose this one because I had all the materials, ingredients, and that's why I went for it. So I have this thick plastic sheet that I am warming it up, and I'll be creating a mold for the sea top layer. So I'm warming it up and trying to manipulate to create this wavy pattern that sea water creates on top. And after that I got silicone and I'm just making the borders for it. I would say it's a good first try, but next time maybe I would go with something more straight, because these borders in the end weren't really straight. You're gonna see in the end anyways. But anyway, it's exciting to do something new, and you are making it, and yeah. So I did about 5, maybe 4 layers of silicone until I got the desirable height. And in between I'm going with my fingers and soapy water just to kind of level it out so there are not that much bumps. And this is the next day, and I will put resin into my mold. And here things started to go a bit wrong because this resin came out a bit too dark that I wanted for my water, and I'm adding this chameleon powder from Just For You Online UK just to add a little bit of shimmer, but also I put a bit too much into it. And onto the pouring, here I'm pouring my resin. I mixed 400 grams of it, and I'm just pouring it into this mold and hoping for the best. And meanwhile that mold is curing, I add some resin into the sand as well, just to let it cure and I don't know, just to stick, I guess. And after it's all been poured in and cured, this is the next day, and I start to demold my watery look, the water texture, call it how you want it. And here I am feeling super excited because it's been a long time since I made my own mold, and fingers crossed it looks nice. So just demolding, and let's turn it over. Here it is, my water surface. It's okay, but next time I'll do this project differently, and it fits perfectly in my frame. So yeah, that's all done here. It's not bad, but next time I'll do a bit differently. So here it is, the final result. I hope you like it. Definitely I'll be hanging it on my wall. I have a wall with all my creations, and this will be joining. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Keep creating. Until next time. Bye.